Across America, high-speed chases are becoming alarmingly common, with desperate criminals pushing their limits to evade capture. Behind each driver's reckless dash lies the threat of sudden, dangerous incidents that can unfold without warning, endangering lives and entire communities. Today, join us as we uncover the intensity and risks of these pursuits. On October 15, 2024, at approximately 8:59 p.m., Trooper Communications received a call from Sherwood Police Department reporting a vehicle pursuit traveling west on I-40, nearing the interchange with I-30. Troopers Robert Plyler and Corbin Freeman responded to assist, positioning themselves near the I-630EB to I-30WB interchange as the pursuit crossed the Arkansas River Bridge.
You're going to have somebody for I-38 and I-33, 30 westbound Happy Roseville.
Yeah.
PBR. 34 copy PBR.
Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Show me your hands!
Troopers then initiated a felony takedown, but the driver, identified as Jordan Norris, refused to exit the vehicle. With other units providing cover, Trooper Plyler approached and removed Norris through the driver's side window. Norris was brought to the ground and taken into custody. On July 11, 2024, at approximately 6:32 a.m., Chester County Sheriff deputies conducted a traffic stop on the J. Cochran bypass near Columbia Road in Chester, South Carolina. The driver, identified as Eric Bernard Jones, was found to be operating the vehicle on a suspended license. When deputies asked Jones to step out of the car, he fled the scene, prompting a high-speed pursuit.
85 miles an hour, still on the bypass. Right on Ashford Street, head north south.
1050.
Following the crash, deputies, with the assistance of 9 Sammy, quickly apprehended Jones without further resistance. On October 14, 2024, at approximately 21 AU, Trooper Jenkins assisted North Little Rock Police Department officers in the area of West Broadway and Main Street in pursuit of a blue Dodge Challenger. Approaching the Broadway Bridge, Trooper Jenkins performed a tactical vehicle intervention on the driver's side, causing the vehicle to rotate counterclockwise and come to a stop. The driver, identified as Kevin Polite, was taken into custody, with the female passenger was released by NRPD after the investigation concluded. On May 7, 2024, just after 1:15 p.m., Whitehall Police in Columbus, Ohio, were alerted by flock cameras to a stolen vehicle connected to a prior aggravated robbery. The pursuit began in Whitehall, but as the chase intensified, Whitehall Police called in Columbus Police for support. The two suspects, both teens with a history of car theft, led officers on a dangerous pursuit.
Inside of this shopping mall, behind the house on Douglas. Like
The pursuit ultimately ended when an officer skillfully executed a pit maneuver, causing the Hyundai to veer off course and crash into a tree.
Operating the entranceway field, Cook Stadium, your left, Mount Street, or southbound.
Get out, get out.
Officers swiftly moved in and apprehended both suspects, bringing the high-stakes pursuit to a close. This incident highlights the determination of local law enforcement in safely bringing dangerous pursuits to an end. On Monday, August 29, 2022, at around 3:23 p.m., officers from the Glendale Police Department in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, spotted a stolen Volkswagen in the 4800 block of MA, Port Washington Road. The vehicle had been taken during a recent home invasion and armed robbery in Milwaukee. As officers attempted to stop the vehicle, the suspects fled, leading police on a high-speed pursuit through the area.
Back northbound. Lost a tire, it's losing tires, it's going to bail here. Northbound Port, approaching Henry Clay. Northbound Port, it's going to go east on Marne, it's losing it. East on Marne, and off-road into the park, and they're going to be bailing here.
Are we doing mutual aid?
Right there.
Alright, come on, that's my direction. Still northbound.
The chase came to an end after several intense minutes when an officer performed a successful pursuit intervention technique, forcing the vehicle to a stop.
768 is losing a lot of it. Still southbound. 768, crash, Hampton and...
The suspects were taken into custody without further incident, and charges are now pending. This incident highlights the coordinated efforts of law enforcement to bring dangerous situations to a safe resolution while holding individuals accountable for crimes that put public safety at risk.
You come there! We see your hands!
On April 30, 2024, at approximately 5:41 p.m., Officer Daniels responded to a weapons disturbance at 1817 West XXX Street in North Little Rock, Arkansas. During the exchange, young Truitt brandished his firearm, threatening the victim, and struck her in the back of the head with the weapon. The altercation continued until the sound of approaching police sirens prompted young Truitt and Crump to flee.
Alright, we made a right on Hollow. They're driving down long. There's no traffic. Alright, we're going to be in the parking lot right on Hollow.
Focus at First March 24 Adam Morgan on 4-3.
Yeah, a lot of cars go. Watch out. Leaving over. Watch out.
Following a pursuit, officers Tatum Moore and Jerry Flint apprehended Crump, recovering a firearm in his possession. The victim indicated that Crump did not have permission to enter her vehicle or take her firearm, and she wished to press charges. Officer Daniels documented the scene, took digital photos, provided Laura's cards to the victims, and recorded the incident on his patrol car's MVR device to capture critical details for the report. On August 19, 2022, in Cameron County, Texas, a DPS trooper attempted to stop a silver Toyota on Military Highway 281 for a traffic violation.
Approaching the expressway at this time.
Southbound. Took a right, frontage road onto R100. He's going all the way to
I got visual. 607. I'm still southbound, US 27.
Good to get him, but
Southbound, US 77, south of Winnetka.
it's like it's just him. That's all.
The driver, identified as 18-year-old Azael Pina, refused to pull over, initiating a high-speed pursuit. During the chase, Pina sideswiped a U.S. Border Patrol unit, and DPS aircraft provided aerial support as the vehicle reached speeds exceeding 95 mph.
Vehicle's pulling over. It's pulling over.
The pursuit concluded when Pena eventually stopped, allowing law enforcement to take him into custody. A subsequent search of the vehicle uncovered 10 bundles of marijuana, weighing a total of 240 pounds, hidden in the rear passenger seat and trunk. Pena was arrested and transported to the Cameron County Jail. On April 21, 2023, a high-speed pursuit unfolded along Interstate 95 in Brevard County as Florida Highway Patrol troopers chased a driver who refused to pull over. The chase continued for miles, endangering other motorists as the suspect accelerated and maneuvered recklessly in an attempt to evade capture. With precision timing, one of the troopers executed the pit, causing the fleeing vehicle to spin out and come to a complete stop on the shoulder of I-95. The driver, realizing the chase had reached its inevitable conclusion, signaled surrender by lowering his head. Troopers swiftly approached, taking him into custody without further incident. On March 2, 2024, Arkansas State Police Trooper J. Drake of Troop G received an alert from Texarkana, Texas POD regarding a theft suspect fleeing eastbound on Interstate 30.
Eastbound, passing the Weapons Center, States 112, wide track. And definitely one thing. Up on the bridge, eastbound 11, leading about 125.
Exit 12, exit 12.
Exit 12.
As the chase continued on I-30, Trooper Drake observed the suspect weaving through traffic in a desperate attempt to escape. Timing his approach with precision, Trooper Drake executed the maneuver, causing the suspect's vehicle to spin and come to a complete stop on the shoulder of the highway.
TBI. 1016, rollover.
Show me your hands! Show me your hands!
Realizing the pursuit was over, the driver raised his hands in a clear gesture of Trooper Drake and other responding officers moved in swiftly, securing the suspect. On June 2, 2024, a high-speed police chase involving a stolen car came to a dramatic end as officers executed a pit maneuver at nearly 100 mph. The pursuit began when a patrol unit spotted the stolen vehicle speeding through a residential area, ignoring traffic lights and swerving dangerously around other vehicles. Acting quickly, officers approached the wrecked vehicle and successfully restrained the driver, bringing the dangerous chase to an end. Police later confirmed that the stolen vehicle sustained extensive damage, but the swift and precise action by law enforcement prevented what could have been a much more tragic outcome.